Well-designed HR policies can increase employee productivity by up to 12%. Many organizations struggle with outdated, ambiguous, or inconsistently applied HR policies and procedures. This can lead to confusion, compliance risks, operational inefficiencies, and potential legal challenges. Unclear policies also contribute to low employee morale, high turnover, and difficulty maintaining a positive workplace culture. Without clear and standardized HR policies, organizations face an uphill battle in managing their workforce effectively. This comprehensive course equips you with the knowledge and skills to develop and implement robust HR policies and procedures that align with your organizational goals, industry best practices, and legal requirements. You'll learn how to conduct thorough policy audits, benchmark against successful companies, and craft clear, fair policies that promote compliance and operational excellence. The course also covers strategies for effectively communicating policies to employees, training managers on consistent enforcement, and establishing processes for continuous review and improvement. By strengthening your HR policies, you can drive significant benefits for your organization, including increased employee productivity, reduced legal risks, improved regulatory compliance, and a strong positive culture. Individuals will gain expertise in policy development, change management, and creating a supportive employee experience through well-designed HR practices. Invest in this course and unlock the power of effective HR policies to foster a high-performing, legally compliant, and engaged workforce. Enroll today.